Hello, it's Jonathan here. As you know, I had my double buggy nicked some time back, well not that long back. Here comes the cat. Pretty sure, well I don't think it was taken, but it could even have been, it was grassed up and the council took it away, all their contractors. But up at Norwood Jcn, someone dumped a single buggy and it didn't take long for me to strip everything off of it and stuff a basket on the back, so at least I can do my shopping now. And I've got recycle bin. It will rest in this position, but I can also fit it flush as well in there. I'll have to make a couple of holes in the bottom here so I can drain the water out. Just a hot screwdriver. But yeah, I can still carry stuff around, but just not going to be able to have as much as I did with the double buggy. And because the front wheel is pivoted, it's not quite so easy to control. Then a fixed front wheel, it's all over the place, literally. Very much the same as a shopping cart in the supermarket. Yeah, so this will have to do. It's only a single, but I'm sure I can stuff here and there. And of course I'll be easy to carry my light bottle digging tools as well. But I've got a feeling I'm gonna have to lock this bugger up